This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by David Gambrell. You have to see this completely refurbished mid-century 2-story. Located in Pineville Ky, this home has had a room-by-room restoration. On the first floor as you enter the front door there is a large family room with a beautiful fireplace. To the right you walk into a wonderfully decorated sunroom and sitting room. On through the first floor there is a large dining room, then onto a completely redone kitchen from floor to ceiling. There's a full bath on the first floor and another sitting room that leads into the library. Up the stairs to the second floor. The whole level has been refurbished, including the 3 bedrooms, the playroom, and the large dressing room with half bath and the full bath. The basement it's completely refurbished, including the utility room and craft room. There's a single car garage on the basement floor and another under the side porch. This house is move-in ready and walking distance to great dining and shopping in downtown. For more information